What was the most unusual situation you have woken up to? I hosted a party at my house and sent an invitation to all of my Facebook friends with the message invite whoever you want. Ended up getting too drunk and passed out in my bed. I woke up in the morning with a splitting headache and a horrible feeling in my stomach that I was about to walk out into a disaster zone. I was expecting the biggest mess that would take days to pick up, but the whole house was spotless. All the drinks had been cleared up and the carpet had been vacuumed. The guests who stayed over had cleaned up everything without my help. It was very unusual in the best possible way.